cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send a dika wish me video. Mema rem subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. No me notification bell no. Send me the video bia betwa with Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The best be creamy wheat porridge. May you na me taste it. It tastes really nice. Yes, that's it. Where you treat no be wash. O wash you na the good saucepan we no eden ewu mu. Wodi enso ede aka ho. Se enso na edoso kakra. Uwie no akata so. Esi eja so kosi tama ebeben. Ba wo ho a no wa check ede ahwe. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Aka akrama na ben no. That with the salt kakra eden egu mu. Aha no upese we use sugar betimi eden use upe honey so betimi eden use me use brown sugar. Na wa mixing na together. Kakra na wa twe. Na wa serve. Macho se dey kan hwe me video a mema rem subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa me notification bell no se me the video bia beto wa Sabeka me ye wie na me taste it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our creamy wheat porridge. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.